Like every year, Shillong's Bongo Bodhu Mahila Samiti distributed book copies and study materials to the children who passed the examination with good marks. Local MLA and Minister A.L. Haque were also present on this occasion.
Avantika. From class 2, Shriya Gupta. Arav Thakuri. Sushmita Sharma. Ricky Ghosh. Romeo. Manlaskan. Shushmi Barua. Riti Shisha. Bobita Das. Thank you. Good. Tanisha Datta. Nandini. Lisa. Rajdeep Ghosh. Diksha Rana. Deepika.
আচ্ছা যারা আইছে না সময় মতো তারা বয় রাখো পরে দিবা।